Peperomia. American baby rubber plant is the common name, although it's not a relative of the true rubber plant. It is in fact a green-leafed succulent. They make a terrific trailing hanging basket and for use in the garden as a ground cover. They prefer morning sunlight. They're native to Central and South America. Their flower forms appear as white spikes, and they do best in USDA hardiness zones 10 through 12. Blue star fern. They are epiphytes native to South American rainforests. They maintain rather than shed their leaves with age. They have bluish green leaves that can reach 50 inches long and 20 inches wide. They prefer indirect sunlight and are popular as houseplants. Mist regularly and water once a week in well-draining soil. Avoid overwatering and water around the plant rather than directly on the rhizomes. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 12. Starfish Sanseveria. These succulents typically stay under 12 inches tall. They are native to Angola, and Chinese culture suggests they benefit 8 virtues. They prefer full to partial sun, making them an excellent potted plant for indoors. They prefer well-draining succulent or cactus soil mix. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11. Variegated meho tree. They are native to Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands, growing along the sea and swamps. They are salt tolerant. They have heart-shaped tricolored green, cream, and burgundy leaves that make them ideal as specimen plants. They occasionally bloom yellow hibiscus-like flowers in the morning that turn reddish in the afternoon. They prefer full sun. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11. Lime sizzler firebush. This is a popular perennial with chartreuse leaves and tubular-shaped bright orange flowers in late spring until frost. These pollinator attractors are fitting in a variety of garden locations, from borders and mass plantings to container gardens. Butterflies and birds enjoy the blooms and berries. They grow 4 to 5 feet tall, making it more compact than other varieties of firebush. They prefer full sun to partial shade. They prefer moist, well-drained acetic soil. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11.